Uploading videos on YouTube seems very simple, but most beginners make certain type of mistakes that are making their channel not to grow the way they want. And today I'm going to be exposing these three things that is making your channel not to grow. If you are guilty of these things, it means your channels are struggling, or it means your channel is even about to die. So if you are watching for the first time, you are tuned into two metrics, and here we make your videos and your YouTube channel grow as fast as possible. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know about these mistakes is that they are very simple, but they are deadly. So number one is stop spamming another person's WhatsApp with your video link. This is one of the things many beginners do. You will see them, they say, I want to share this link with my brother so that he can see what I'm doing. Then your brother might not even watch your video to the end. And in not watching your video to the end is actually confusing the algorithm, right? Another person can just say, oh, I have this WhatsApp community. Let me go and put it. Some people will just go there and they will just watch the video for like 1 hour or something. It is very important for you to know that spamming people's DMs with your link is going to frustrate your channel. It's even going to make your algorithm not to know your channels. It will make your algorithm to say, okay, you should just keep doing what you are doing. So it is important for you to take note of that, right? So how to share your videos on your YouTube channel is that you should share it with the community on YouTube. Or probably as we are doing a video now, you just link up with somebody and say, oh, this is what I do. And then you subscribe and encourage each other. That is the best way to share your video on YouTube. Number two is that you should stop buying views. Stop buying views. You are going to be seeing a lot of ads of people saying that you should pay so as low as 300, 1,000 so that we can give you 1,000 views. It does not help your channel. Most of the channel they are going to be using are bots, and if they are not bots, are channels that have no tags. They don't have tags. They don't have anything. They don't have anything. No customization. It's not a proper channel. It's more like a YouTube account, and the algorithm does not welcome that. You will just notice that after a while, the algorithm will shadow ban you, or you will not even know what you are doing on YouTube again, and you will become frustrated and just delete that channel. So stop buying views. And the third one is that stop uploading and disappearing the same moment. If you upload, don't put it on public and then expect to get views. No, it doesn't happen that way. Don't put it on private either. Put it on unlisted. Let your video be unlisted at least for 1 hour. Let the algorithm understand your video and then know what your video is all about before you now put it on public. And then if you even start uploading video, one of the major things you will want to do is that you are going to just go over to vidIQ and optimize your video yourself. Or you go over to TubeBuddy and optimize your video yourself. It's going to help you faster. So with these 3 points, I believe that your channel is going to grow very well and healthy. On our next video, we are going to be teaching a whole lot more about how to grow your YouTube channel. For now, bye. This is Tube Metrics. Do well to like and share and subscribe for you to experience this type of content like this.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.